Welcome to AN Studies, 6th class NCERT, Chapter 1, the Earth in the Solar System. We'll go with some important points in this chapter. You can see the full moon on once in about a month. It is called as full moon night or Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see it at all. It is new moon night or Amavasya. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are too big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Various patterns formed by different group of stars. These are called constellations. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north directions. It is also called pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi. Some celestial bodies do not have their heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. The solar system, the sun, 8 planets, satellites, some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteorites. The sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in the fixed paths. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Venus is considered as Earth twin because its size and shape are very much similar to the Earth. The Earth. The Earth is third nearest planet to the sun. In size, it is fifth largest planet. Its shape is described as George. George means Earth-like shape. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of this reason, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. The Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water, so it is called as blue planet. The Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. The Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, depressions on its surface. Asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Meteorites. 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 The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteorites. Thank you. These are some important points of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.